All right, Justin. Now, the question is about vitamin C. Yeah, consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. With the ratio is 40.92% to 4.58% and 54.50%. Now, they want us to find the empirical formula and molecular formula. Now, firstly, we need to find this one first. What do you call this? This is the number of mole, the N. All right. You see, I already found the answer for you. 343 C3H4O3. This is the empirical formula. Now I'm going to teach you how to find this 343. Now let's go back to here. Now we want to find this, the mole. Right? The formula of mole is mass, M is mass, yeah, over molecular formula, shortened to MR. Now we need to know the MR of each of the atom first, of the element, yeah. C is 12, H is 1, O is 16. This is basically memorization, right? Okay. Now, this is the mass, the portion of the mass, right? Let's divide it. So mass divided by molecular formula, MR, to find the mole. So I divide this with this, by this I get 3.41. I divide this by 1, yeah, still 4.58. I divide this by 16, I get 3.40. Now, notice here, yeah, if you do a lot of this question already, you notice something very, how to say, very noticeable. This is 3.41. This is 3.406. Blah blah blah. This is actually the same number of moles. If you round this, it'll be 3.41, right? What I mean is, these two, both of these, are meant to be the same number. So let's simplify this. The way I will simplify it usually by dividing all of them by the smallest number, so I can how to say, change the smallest number into 1. It's 3.41 divided by 3.41. 3.41 as well divided by 3.41. 4.58 divided by 3.41 is 1.458. Now, so yeah, I hope you understand now why I divided by the smallest number here. So I want to turn this into basic, the most basic, yeah, that contains 1. So after that I can find the empirical formula. So this is 1, I will ignore that. I will try to change this decimal into whole number by multiplying it by a number. So I tried multiply it by 2. It is around 2.8 something. Yeah, not really good one. So wait, what? Oh, sorry. This wait, what? Oh yeah, this 1.458. Yeah, correct. Okay. So the moment I times 3 this, I get, wait, what? I guess there's something wrong here. Oh yeah, sorry. Wait, what? I think this, I wrote this wrong. Justin, please try to type on your calculator 4.58 divided by this. What is the answer again? When I times 2, I still get very bad decimal. When I times 3, I get 4.02, which I know it is meant to be 4. It is meant to be rounded to 4. So I get 343. All right. So again, the steps are mass divided by MR, divided by smallest number, so I change it into the most basic one, and then try multiplying the decimal number by a number, so it will become a whole number, 343. That's it. You get the empirical formula already. So C3H4O3. Now, what about the molecular formula? Molecular formula is basically like the multiple of the empirical formula. So it could be, the molecular formula could be C6H8O6 or maybe C9H12O9. We don't know. The way we will find out is by this. if you notice, look at the question again, they tell you this is the total molecular formula. Okay, remember that 1C is 12 molecular, right? So what about 3C's? What about 4H? What about 3 O's? So 16 times 3. Find the total of the molecular formula and think, how could you change it to 176? That's your job. Okay, I hope you do understand.